Hey everybody, this is Dave. This is my newly acquired 66 Satellite. Now sporting a upgraded motor. Some of us call that the Hemi. The nice thing about this one is it's got AC. You can see the compressor down there. Did a nice job prepping this car. It's a period correct block. Got about 700 miles on it. Power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Five-speed Tremec. The air blows nice and cold. Look at the quality of these dash. This dash is literally NOS. Everything in this car is NOS or brand new or rebuilt. Clock works. Full Hotchkiss suspension. Power top. Dana rear end. And like I said, 4-wheel disc brakes. Super straight. Was born with a 361 West Coast car. All the chrome, all the stainless. It's unbelievable. You can't mistake that Hemi rumble. Top's in great shape. Body's again laser straight. All the lights work inside. Power top's wonderfully fast. I got a correct Mopar battery on order. Thing runs great. Pulls like a freight train. Let's see if I can get some photos underneath the car. A set of springs. The shackles are a little too long for my liking, but sorry about the shitty video. This is my first one. This is my Shelby KR up there. Hopefully it's not raining tonight. Looks like it's gonna rain, but we'll see. Might be able to take her out finally.